So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito sisimulan po natin ang isang bagong series kabola para sa early season po ng ating pong season kabola, kung saan papangalanan po natin yung number 1 player po ng bawat team. So sa palagay po natin dapat po nilang hindi i-trade. At for this edition we will be having San Miguel, TNT, Phoenix at NLEX Road the Warriors. So hindi pa nakasubscribe kabola, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. But before that, let us first talk about the reality na may mga teams pa rin po ngayon na naghihintay sa kanilang mga players po na currently po is playing sa MPBL at saka sa NCAA kabola. At ang naging vocal nga po dyan is si Coach Jeff Carriazo, one of the most vocal, talking about Kekoteye kabola that's still playing in the MPBL, and of course si Hopia or Jopia that's still playing kabola dito po sa NCAA, and these two are very interesting din naman talaga. Si James Canlas Kekoteye po, of course we all know about him. He was the former superstar po ng San Beda. The guy can score, kaya naman siguro hinihintay siya ni Coach Jeff kasi he can be their number 1 scorer kabola pagdating niya. And then Hopia naman or Jopia, he is 6'8", 6'9" kabola, so sobrang hirap ka nang makahanap niyan. They need size kabola. We all know the importance of height in the PBA. Kaya kung ma-develop nila ito ng maayos, he could be something. He could even be a starter kabola. Defender lang talaga si magiging development niya. Remember, Coach Mark Pingris, nandun na po kabola. So he can train ito nga pong si Jopia. And then one more guy, if you remember, Kit Jimenez. Siya din po hinihintay ng San Miguel Beermen. Of course, we all know the popularity, di ba? Sobrang popular nitong si Kit. And of course, tignan natin kung talagang pang BBA din yung laruan po niya. Then let's check some comments kabola dito po sa PBA Power Ranking na pinost po natin. Sabi po dito ni Elmer Maniego, mali ka sa analysis mo, manggugulat ng Rain or Shine. Magaling import niya, baka mag-champion sila. Same sentiment sila nitong si Jello Carian. Or si Arian siguro. Ayos sa Rain or Shine behind Terra Firma. So kabola, in-explain ko naman po dyan sa video na yan. It's all about the reality na sa palagay ko talaga, Coach Yeng will focus actually in trying to develop his players kasi sobrang bata pa yung lineup niya. And yes, I recognize po that their import is an NBA veteran kabola, pero in terms of age kasi baka wala na rin talaga siya sa pick niya, and that will be a problem for them kabola. Now punta na tayo dito sa listahan natin ng mga number 1 players po ng bawat team na sa palagay natin is dapat hindi po nila i-trade. For Rain or Shine kabola, for San Miguel, of course, we have Junmar Fajardo still kabola. So, Fajardo pa rin po yan kasi pag may Fajardo ka, agad-agad magiging championship contender ka. So, there's no point in my eyes na i-determine na po nila or pag-isipan po nilang i-trade si Fajardo even with his age kabola. Kasi at the end of the day, San Miguel Beermen is focused on winning the championship, and having Fajardo is the best spot in winning that championship. Alam naman natin na nangyayari kung nawawala po si Fajardo sa lineup nila. Phoenix, Tyler Tio kabola. So Tyler Tio, I think he is more than ready to take over as the face of their franchise kabola. And hindi lang talaga face na on the court performance, so talaga yung face niya, pang face of the franchise, no? Ito pong si Tyler Tio kabola. So bagay na bagay siya sa Phoenix, and nandun din yung aura na parang willing siya kabola na manatili sa Phoenix. Kumbaga hindi niya pipiliin or hindi siya maghahanap ng greener pasture kabola, hindi tulad ng ginawa ni Macho Wright and the other superstar kabola. I think I can feel that aura from him. So bagay na bagay po siya for an independent team like Phoenix, so they should not trade him. NLEX, Brandon Roser kabola, diba? The number 1 pick of the most recent draft last year kabola. Brandon Roser, a modern big man, an elite rim protector, a capable 3-point shooter, and of course with post-up moves kabola. Sobrang hirap maghanap niyan. Modern big man kabola. Yan is a type of player that they can easily develop around kabola. Kaya wag na wag sana nila itong babalakin po na i-trade kabola. And then last natin, TNT, ay dito medyo mahirap, pero I will choose Calvin Optana. So of course, Mikey Williams is their best player. RR Pugoy is better right now than Calvin Optana, pero in terms of age, in terms of position, I will have Calvin Optana at the top kabola, di ba? Yes, he will need siguro 1 or 2 years muna before niya i-take over yung number 1 spot from Mikey Williams pag bumalik ito and from RR Pugoy, pero I think he is their future, he is credible, he is capable, so he should not be part of any trade discussion for TNT. O baka bola sa palagay mo, sino ang kanilang number 1 player na dapat hindi trade? Comment lang po sa baba.